How to design professional slides in PowerPoint. So this is the simple way. So use a nice template. Go to design, click themes, and here we can add themes for your design. For example, this one. And keep it simple. So you just use one or two fonts and stick to 2 to 3 colors. And next, so make sure everything is lined up and use less text. So write short bullets, not full sentences, only one idea per slide. So next is add images or icons. So use pictures instead of too much text. So go to insert, pictures or icons. So you can just click pictures here. Or you can click online pictures on this device. That's pretty much it. If you want to add pictures, so next is show data with charts now. So show insert and chart. So next is show data with charts now. So click insert, then chart, and pick a simple chart, bar or pie, something like that. So where's the bar here? So this is the pie, the bar. You can click OK. Next is be consistent. Same font and color on all slides. Add your log if needed. So that's pretty much it. Simple way to make your presentation slides more professional. Thank you, everyone.